Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is a little bit different of a video. I'm showing you guys how I'm styling up the Kahlana Barfield Brown collection with Target as you guys requested. And I'm doing it showing you guys how to wear this stuff for fall and giving you some good fall inspiration looks. So if you don't have these pieces, don't worry. You can always recreate these with things you have. So up first for look one, it is the same exact look that I wore to Holman and Finch. Or Holman and Finch. I can't get that name right. So it's the outfit that I wore there. And I got so many compliments that day, and I did not think that I would get that many compliments. I mean, I got stopped in the mall. I got like so many compliments, right? And so I had to do this one over. This is actually a look that I'll be, like pieces that I'll be bringing out. I got the top for Banana Republic. It is a cozy, soft flannel, like a nice stretchy flannel. If you have not gotten into getting flannels, I say this is a good start to it. This is like one of my first flannel pieces and I love it. And I paired it with the pleated front jeans that Kahlana did in the first drop. I absolutely love these. When I saw these online, I said I have to have those because they kind of remind me of my ivory pleated front pants that I've been wearing from H&M. And so I was like, I can do those like a trouser. They can be like a denim trouser, and that is exactly what they look like. And they give all the like 70s, that kind of vibe, like a nice retro. And of course I had to pull out my boots because what is fall without a nice pair of suede boots? These boots are from Zara. I have had them ever since 2022 and they have not failed me. I wish that I would have purchased a backup pair because they are just that good. And of course you guys know I can't go anywhere without my gold jewelry, loading up my hands with rings. And that day I did not wear my gold bracelet. I left out of the house and I said, oh, I did not wear my gold bracelet. You guys know I got this bracelet from J. Crew over the summer. And it is one of my favorites. Keandra and I both got one and we got it on sale. So I'm gonna have to catch them for their jewelry sale coming up, like whatever sales they have coming up, because you know, they have really great stuff. And so of course, let me pause for a second and let you know these items are going to be in the description. Y'all, we're going to do much better about putting our things in the description so that you guys can easily shop the pieces. Okay, so for look two, this one is really simple, very easy. You can definitely do sneakers with this, or you can wear boots like I have it. And it is a nice basic tee, but elevated because it's Jolie Noire, and jeans. So I love these black jeans. I love the fade on the thigh. I love how black the black parts are. They just have so much interest, and they are a barrel jean, and they're mid-waist, so they're not so high waist. I don't have a very long torso, so I like to wear high waist, but mid-waist is actually the most comfortable for me. And so these are mid-waist jeans. They do fit a lot better in the waist. I got a size 18. The jeans that I had on before were a size 20, and I had been looking high and low for a size 18 in those, but I'm just gonna have to go and take them to the tailor. I couldn't wait to wear them, so I ended up wearing them. They have the nice little button tab in them to kind of cinch the waist, so that made them, you know, kind of easier to wear. But these, they don't have the tab in the back. Yeah, they don't have the tab in the back, but the waist is a lot more cinched in, so they are a much more comfortable fit. I love these. I love how they are so tailored in the waist and how they kind of contour to your hips and then go into that barrel. It is an amazing look. And then of course, with that trench, the hoodie trench combination, it gives it nice urban, chic, sophisticated, very nice vibe. I actually really like that. I said in another video that it's not really quite my style, but when you style it up and you put that piece in with all the other pieces and other things that I, you know, and how I do it, it just instantly elevates it and makes it more me. And it's so cozy. It's a nice, soft, cozy, plush kind of feel. And unfortunately, this one sold out so quickly. A lot of people wanted to get their hands on this one. I wish that this one was sent to me in like a size extra large or 2X for like an oversized look and a better fit, a much better fit. But this is actually gonna go very well as I trim down, because you guys know that Keandra and I are on our wellness journeys. And so yeah, as I trim down, I'll be able to fit this even better. So for look number 3, I decided to do an all black look. I really love the way that all black looks, and the jeans give it like a nice elevated vibe because of the faded jeans. I did keep on the same jeans from the previous outfit, so it's kind of like 2.5 kind of outfit, but and I decided to put on different rings, and then I left my ears bare because sometimes you just have to do that. And then I threw on the Kahlana Barfield Brown strong shoulder top. It's cropped, it's so good. I got this one in an extra large. I don't think that they have any of these left, but they had plenty of, it seemed, they had plenty of the black jeans when I last looked. And then the navy blue coat, y'all, I had been looking for a navy blue coat for quite some time, a few years actually, and I'm so glad that I got this one. Keandra and I stayed up all night, both drops, to try to get these pieces, and I'm so glad that we got everything that we wanted actually. So the navy coat, it's so cozy, it's long, so I'm 5'9", and you guys see it leaves about maybe a foot or a little bit less than a foot maybe of space from between my feet and the actual coat. I absolutely love that because I'm always looking at shorter women and saying like, I wish that my coats could be really long. So this one is really long on me. It's a great strong shoulder coat. It's cozy. It is going to do so well in the winter. I'm so excited to start wearing this. Unfortunately, it's not cold enough here in Atlanta to start wearing it now, but once it gets colder, once it cools down a little bit more, I will definitely be bringing this out. Okay, so for look 4, we have our champion jacket. You know, Keandra and I both have this champion jacket, so both of us can actually do this full look because we both have, I think, even down to the boots. So these boots I've been wearing for the past 3 outfits, so I haven't even mentioned them. So I got these boots, I think, in the winter of 2021, and I've only worn them out once, but they are some of the most comfortable boots. I love these boots. They're from Zara. Zara has some of the best shoes. Do not sleep on Zara. They have really great shoes. They have like a nice little studded perimeter. I love these. These are so snazzy, so great, and great quality. 2021 to 2025. You can't beat that, okay? Even though I've worn them outside once, but I do absolutely use these for content, and so I'm wearing them in some capacity. But I love the jeans. I love the fade on her jeans. They are so good. These are all barrel. Like, I think most of the jeans were barrel jeans, which I really like that. I like the trend of barrel jeans. They really go along with the shape of my my natural shape very well, and I really like them. I like how long they are. They have a nice little crop, some of them, and then some of them are a little bit longer. So you can wear heels with them. You can wear sneakers or flats or whatever it is that you want. And what I did with the jacket is I just zipped it up most of the way and then kind of slid the top backwards so that it could kind of create like this kind of cropped vibe. So when you're styling a look and you don't want to just do things like they literally are, I'm wearing the jacket as a top today, and I wanted to kind of give it a cropped vibe, like a more bubbled, cropped kind of vibe. So you just kind of play around with it, play around with shapes, with the way that you're wearing it, move it around. You don't have to wear it how it was designed to be worn. You can wear it your way. So I absolutely love that. And of course I put on rings and kept my ears bare, and then put on my Tom Ford sunglasses. You guys know I love these. I did a collaboration with Smart by Glasses, and I got these Tom Ford glasses. They are supposed to be clear lenses, but I got a light brown tint, and I'm so glad I did. These are so cute. They're retro vibe. Like, they give you like this nice little retro vibe, but so current and so me. So let's go ahead and go on to the next one. Okay, so before we get into the next look, you guys noticed that I've been using my fragrances. Y'all know Keandra and I love a good fragrance, and I think I have a nice little collection of fall fragrances. There was a time that I didn't have a lot of fall fragrances or a lot of fragrances that were seasonal, but now I think my collection is growing, and I love that. So I actually got this one for Valentine's Day. So this is more like a wintry, springy kind of fragrance, but it definitely does pull fall for me. It's called Tafe Rose, and it's by Jo Malone. And I love this one. I love how the Jo Malone fragrances missed out. It has a nice, sweet, sophisticated, kind of musky kind of vibe. So that's why I am pulling for it this fall. It's sweet. It's sweet, it's musky, and I don't really smell a whole lot of rose, but I have I get a spicy kind of vibe to it from it. So I love this one for the fall for sure. And then I have both of my poppies here. I have the Scarlet Poppy, which my mom got for me for my birthday. So she got Tape Rose for Valentine's Day for me, and then she got this one for my birthday, and then I bought this one for myself, Poppy and Barley. Surprisingly enough, I've been using this one, so it's about here. I got this one now almost 2 months ago, and I got this one almost 3 months ago, and I'm using this one far more than I use this one. This one I am definitely feeling for, like, if I do like for some date nights or something like that. This one is a lot more intense. It's got they kind of have the same vibe, but I pull for this one during the day, which is odd, but I do definitely pull for this one during the day and night. So I love both of their poppies, Scarlet Poppy and Barley. Amazing. And then Keandra and I both got new body mists from Target, their Finery collection. And this one's called Fireside Vanille. So this one kind of has like a smoky tobacco kind of scent to it, and it's sweet as well. So it's got that kind of vanilla kind of scent to it, and it kind of reminds me of the Tom Ford tobacco fragrance, and I can't remember the name of it, but I had it before, and it kind of reminds me of that. So this one is really good, has a nice mist to it, love that. So if you're looking for something that's got a little spice, this is very good for the holiday season and for the fall winter, so grab this one up. Okay, so now let's get into look number 5. So I paired the Kahlana Barfield, these are crop jeans that have some distressing on them, and I love the asymmetrical buttons on them. It doesn't have a zipper, so these are just buttons, and I absolutely love that. I remember there was a time when I would only see these in the regular size range of stores, and I'm so glad that she did something like this that is obviously in the plus range as well, because we all get to participate in this amazing trend. I love a nice asymmetrical look. It is just so cute, and it just really kind of brings in the waist. So like if you're somebody who has like a slightly wider waist, this would help bring the eye inward and kind of give you the illusion of a smaller waist. And so I really like that. Even for those of us who have a little smaller waists than we have like hips, it works the same for us as well. And so I really love that. It has pockets. These are I'm not going to get these tailored because these actually fit very well in the hip and thigh, and I am so used to having a buckling waist. So I'm not going to get these tailored because there's really not very much room to go. So I'm going to keep these the way that they are. I did definitely, so I have an 18 in these. I was able to grab an 18 in these. And then I paired them with a jacket that I've had for a couple of years. Got this from Zara. It's a nice bubble hem, bubble sleeve jacket. These have been going strong for the last few years. You can definitely get these on Amazon. You can get them, I think Temu has some. Walmart, I think, has some. So these are pretty popular, like a nice basic zip jacket, pockets, and a bubble hem. The bubble hem is just in right now. If you guys remember from a few vlogs ago, Keandra and I, we were in Dillard's and we saw these really cute loafers with bows on them, and so I had to have them. I saw them on sale at Macy's and I grabbed them at Macy's, and they're so cute. I am gonna have to get an insole to push my heel of my foot up. The shoe fits perfectly as far as the length of my foot, but they kind of gape on the sides, and so I need something that's gonna lift my heel up a little bit. And so I'm looking for those now. I'm gonna go and get some of those. I'm trying to see what's the best brand to get, and so I'm gonna get those so that my foot can fit more comfortably in them, because they do kind of slip as well. So I love them though. They are perfect. I've been looking for loafers for quite some time, and I think they're by Kurt Geiger. So they're really great. Very nice pattern, very, very great for the winter, for fall, and for the holiday season. So I'm so excited about these. And of course I had to do rings, and then I did these knot earring studs. just to tie in the look. I've done this outfit an outfit kind of like this before. I did it for Keandra's birthday last year and I loved it so much. I did it actually with my Jeffrey Campbell flats, and this time I decided to do it with the loafer, and I actually really do love this look a lot better because it just gives it a lot more oomph, and I can still wear this to go shopping. I can wear this to dinner. I can wear this to lunch. I can wear this to a lot of places. So I absolutely love that and still be comfortable. Love a nice, comfy, elevated style. Okay, so for the last look that we have for the day, I decided to pair Kahlana's Volume 2 jeans with a jacket that I already had and a sweater that I already had from H&M and Zara. So I said, let me go into my closet. Like a lot of this stuff, no, most of this, all this stuff, I added with the Kahlana things I already had. So that is just how easy it is to kind of nestle in her pieces with things that you already have. Her things are elevated and they just help to kind of create just a slightly different look for things that you already have in your closet. So that's the key thing to having like a good capsule wardrobe is you get to kind of weave in new pieces and even kind of trendy pieces as you go along. I love the affordability of Kahlana's pieces because they are quite trendy, but that is a great thing that they are not super expensive because you get to kind of play and they're really great quality. Like we're not gonna act like they skipped on quality. They did an amazing job. And so I decided to also, a lot of these looks I paired my eyewear with the looks, and I did the black toppers, the black on black topper and the tortoise and brown lens topper with the actual frame. So these are the Zuri frames that I have and that I'm wearing right now. Keandra said they look a lot like my Gucci ones that I already wear, and I think it's because of the little magnet. So the magnet even gives you like a nice little design, so they're not hurting for design in any capacity. So they just really went in well with all of my looks. I'm so glad that I had these. So like having sunglasses is a really good way to elevate your style. And if you are a glasses wearer like Keandra and I, you know that they can get kind of pricey. So using pair eyewear, this is not sponsored by them, but I definitely believe in something like this, like a concept like this, because you can just snap on your topper and you'll have sunglasses. And so it really elevated all of my looks when I put these on. And of course I grabbed for my Tom Fords because I love those. And so just remember, when you're trying to elevate your look, if you're not a glasses wearer, you can just get all the sunglasses that you want to get. And so that makes for a really nice elevated look. So jewelry will carry you a long way. A nice shape in your denim will carry you a nice long way. And so I think that's what Kahlana hit so well, is that she paid attention to detail. And so I love Volume 2. I love Volume 1. I hear that there's another drop that she has coming. I'll be staying up until 3 a.m. Eastern to get those pieces too, because I think there's a white coat that I want to get. So I will definitely be on the lookout for those pieces. And then the shoes that I wore with this look are my golden colored velvet. They're like a golden toffee kind of velvet heel from Zara. So I think all of my shoes today came from Zara. So Zara has always held me down, okay? And then I did my Kate Spade bag and then my Polo ID bag. So if you notice, these are things that I'm grabbing all year round, a lot of these things. And then these are pieces that I'll be wearing throughout the fall. So sweaters, jeans, dresses. Stay tuned, because Keandra and I, we have a lot more things coming. We have a lot more videos for you guys, a lot more videos on this style for you guys, because you guys have been asking for them, and so we are definitely going to deliver. So like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you liked any of the pieces, do not forget they're going to be in the description, and you can always visit our LTKs for any of the pieces that we might have linked. Not all things have a link, but anything that we have will be on LTK. So don't forget to go to our LTK pages to see what we might have posted. And again, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram, JolieNoire Apparel. Bye guys.